What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today I will be doing a Gele tutorial, center knot a Gele. So pay attention, grab your Gele, grab your pin, and let's go. So this tutorial, you get your Gele and you're splitting it into 50 day 50. Grab this end, clean it up enough. Right, so I grab this end and bring this as well. I bring them to the front here. So here I just gather it, and remember guys, I've told you something right in the bang on the middle of my head does not suit me. So here I'm gonna tie the knot. So here I go from the end part of it here, and I just fold until I mix my hand over here, and then I do the same on the side, making sure everything looks good. So this last one of this, you've got 1, 2, so the one closer to the bottom, you grab it and you tie. Oh, another pin dropped. Wow. So here, instead of pulling the two edges, I pull this bit to make sure it's tight enough, because if you pull these edges, everything else follows with it, and I don't want that. I want to have enough Gele to finish up my style. So I just tie that just here. come here. You can do whatever with this, yeah? You literally can do whatever with this. So I come around here and just keep folding until I'm back to the base, like so. Go back to the base. Right, and I'll follow that plate around. And then I pin that. And then I do the second one, the second side, making sure everything looks nice and neat. Ooh, that thing came off. Okay, let's secure that again. And this is what happens when you don't secure your Gele properly. So this time around I'll use a bob head. Right, and then I'm doing the other side now. Just gonna make this look a little bit neater. The same here. My left is always difficult to work with, but we move. The same thing. Then you pin it at the top. So I just come back here and fix this up. And that is it, guys. Come round, close the back. Grab a pin. That's it, guys. So let's give you a twirl. Oh, let's move it back a bit. Guys, you always know I like my Gele. You know me, I like my hairline to shine. You already know. The hairline's got to show. For some reason, it has to show. I don't even have that much hairline, but it has to show. Anyways, let's give it a twirl again. Alright guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and yeah, you guessed it, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content, because I upload content every 2 days. So I upload today, let you watch it for 48 hours, upload the next 48 hours, and upload the next 48 hours. Every 48 hours there's a new video on this channel. Can you imagine? So you have to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And it's tutorial giving you the tea, the truth. Yeah. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video, guys.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't